So I'm only here to show you this beautiful fur. It's called the Arctic Fox. I'll send you pictures of it if you're on our email list. I've got some suggestions. So the pieces are 3 yards long and they are 15 inches wide. But I wanted to show you how easy they are, and we'll have a sew along with this fur. I'm just so excited about this, you guys. The quality is beautiful. You just put it together and you push all the hair out of the way, and then you just stitch just like that. It's very easy to stitch on with any machine, but look at this. I mean, it's stunning. It's absolutely stunning. And I mean, you know, we don't have a lot, but what we have, and we're thrilled to have it. But I just wanted you to see the weight, kind of the drape, the texture, and you know, it helps to, I know you can't feel it, but it helps to see me feeling it. How's that? Anyway, here you have it. It's fur for the season. Happy sewing.